Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be decorating my social media, which is a modern year planner, and it is a dashboard layout in a classic size. So this is for the week of February 21st through the 27th. As always, left side is created by me, and that's what I'm adding right now. And as I'm doing that, I wanted to say thank you if you are coming back to my channel. I am so grateful for you choosing to spend time with me. And if this is your first time, welcome. I really hope you like it here. So today I am going to be keeping it pretty simple. I'm going to pop these pages out. This was my Valentine's spread. I love it. I love how it came out. Those were the stickers that I printed. So today we are going kind of simple. And I don't always do complicated spreads in my planner depending on how much I have going on, and today we are sticking with simple. I am going to be using the Flower Power, the Mega sticker book with flowers, and I wanted to use all of these beautiful florals that are really bright and watercolory. I think they're really fun, and I really never get to use them. I don't know why. I forget I have them, and then kind of the mood passes or it's fall again, and these colors don't appeal to me in fall for some reason. So I'm pulling the plug and creating spreads with these stickers today. So here we go. I hope you guys will enjoy this as much as I do, because I think these florals are so much fun and they're so bright and they're really lovely. So I'm just adding florals all over because why not? What's stopping me? And remember, you can always cut up your stickers. I certainly am guilty of doing that all the time. It not only gives me more stickers, but it also gives me functional space. So if you're looking for functionality but don't know how to achieve that, well, that's how I do it. You can do the same thing. So this particular flower set comes with these silver boxes with flowers in them. I'm going to use a whole bunch. I don't use foil boxes very often, but today marks an occasion, so why not? Let's do it. I'm going to go ahead and add a whole bunch of them to document the videos that I need to post for you guys. And I know that the last couple plan with me's, or the last two plan with me's at least, have been very quick. Like I said, I've been keeping it down to one book this week. It's been super crazy busy week, but I can't bring myself to use planner without stickers. It's something that I refuse to do. So I still add lots and lots of stickers, even if it's last minute. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some more florals because I really enjoy those in my planner and I think they look great. So I'm gonna go ahead and kind of add a little patch down here and then a couple more details, and that will be it. There's not much more to do. I'm gonna add florals because why not? And then I think, let's see, I'm really loving it, by the way. So I'm gonna add some on the top right there, and then some into this box. And then maybe some on the top portion of that pink bar to minimize it. And after that, I'm all set. So I know that these stickers have those centers that are with clear sticker as well, and they're impossible to write on, but I just cut them out. So it's just a little tip. Okay, that's all I had. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed. I'll see you guys very soon for another plan with me. Bye!